In this video, I am going to show you how we can view DNS records using NSlookup. So first of all, you will have to open command prompt, then type NSlookup. So NSlookup is a utility that is used to view the DNS records of any website. So here we have to type set type equal to A if you want to view the IPv4 address of the domain, and type the domain. For example, we are using google.com. So google.com default IP address is IPv4 address is 142.252.0.6.142. If you want to view the IPv6 address of google.com, then you can type set type is equal to AA, and it will show you the IPv6 address of the google.com. Also, we can check the MX mail exchanger record of gmail.com or google.com. So here we have 5 servers that are responding to the Gmail mail request. So the default priority is 10, and after that 25, 40, and 30. So the server which have least priority will respond first. So server with the 10 or 5 will respond first. If this fails, then the server with have 20 priority will communicate with the mail server, and the third one is 5. If these two server fails, then the third will work. So on. We can define many in the our MX record settings of our mail server. These are from exchange mail server. And if you want to take the name servers, type NS and type google.com. So these are the 4 name servers that Google uses to resolve the name. And the last one is SRV record, service record. So this tell us the primary name server is ns1.google.com, and this is the responsible mail address or the mail address of the admin, dns-admin.google.com, and serial number of this server is this, and refresh, retry, expire, and default timers are shown to you. So in this way, we can view the DNS records of your website. Thanks for